Now, you will have noticed there that we've also got files. Did you know down the bottom, next to my mail, there is a folder called, there's an app called Files. And what that Files does is it allows me to create different files. I've got recent, and I can browse my files there as well. Some people didn't realize that on iPads, you do have file structures and folder structures that you can actually create on your iPad. So how do we use that? Well, let's say I'm in Keynote. I'm doing a little project here on the heart. And up the top right-hand corner, I can actually export that Keynote file. Let's say I want it as a PDF. And I'll go to Export. And down the bottom when I'm sharing it, I've got a whole lot of different options. Teams, Mail, Message, AirDrop. But I can actually save it to Files. And you can see here, I've got all of my files sorted in kind of software. And that's really important for me, that when I'm actually uploading different things, I can actually go to, oh, I need to do some augmented reality. I need to retrieve a file from Adobe Aero or GarageBand or explain everything and so on. So at the top there, next to Save, you can actually see a little Create Folder button. And I might call this Anatomy. And all of a sudden there, I can save that Keynote into my Anatomy file. So once again, if you've never used Files before, it's a fantastic way of categorizing, organizing your work into some structures. And if you've got iCloud set up, those files and folders will actually carry over on multiple devices, which is fantastic and we love.